In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete everything on Google Drive. Before we begin, a quick heads up: once we empty the trash, the files are gone for good and can't be recovered. So make sure you truly want to remove everything from your drive. Start on a computer. Open your web browser, go to Google Drive, and confirm you are signed in to the correct account. In the left sidebar, click My Drive to see all your files and folders. Click any single file to activate selection. Then press Ctrl-A on Windows or Cmd-A on a Mac. This shortcut instantly highlights everything in My Drive folders, documents, photos, and any visible subfolders. So you don't have to click each item individually. If your drive is large, give it a moment to finish selecting. You'll see the count of selected items appear at the top as it catches up. With everything selected, look toward the top right area of the page for the trash icon. It may be labeled Move to Trash or Remove. Click it. This doesn't permanently delete your files yet. It simply moves them into the drive trash, which acts like a temporary holding area. This is helpful in case you change your mind before the final step. Next, go to the left sidebar and click Trash. Here you'll see everything you just moved. Take a moment to scan the list. If here is anything you didn't intend to include, you can back out before finalizing. When you are ready to permanently erase everything, click the Empty Trash button at the top of the screen. Google Drive will ask you to confirm because this step cannot be undone. Approve the prompt, and Drive will begin permanently removing all items from trash. A couple of quick notes to keep expectations clear. This process affects the contents of My Drive in the account you are using. Items shared with you or stored elsewhere may behave differently. And files owned by others might be removed from your view without deleting the owner's original, if your account holds a lot of data. The emptying process may take a bit of time, so don't worry if storage updates aren't immediate. That's all it takes to delete everything on Google Drive. Select All in My Drive, move to Trash, open Trash, and empty it. If you need to revisit any part, feel free to replay the relevant section. Thanks for watching.